Your next car could be the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the best of quality, comfort, and convenience in this family-friendly Sonata. This stylish midsize four-door sedan offers the advanced safety features, smooth performance, and passenger amenities you need to make every drive pure pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, remote engine start, premium sound system, backup camera. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.